So the Lunar Hair Calendar, one of my major achievements since the 1960s, discovering that there's 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 elements, 5 senses, 5 dates a month. That when we cut our hair, it's equivalent to about 12 to 18 acupuncture treatments, because it goes down every time we cut our hair, it shocks the roots. And we can do one of 5 things. We can do beautifying, lengthening, strengthening, thickening, or root work. How do I come up with them? Well, I have a secret formula that's been done for thousands of years. It goes back to the Mayan calendars, so it's nothing to do with modern scientific anything. And also pre-Egyptian, goes back probably 8,500 years that we've been cutting our hair through the lunar cycle to strengthen, thicken, and grow luxurious hair. I highly encourage you to go to our website, MorroccoMethod.com. We have a free lunar calendar for anyone and everyone for any purpose. Watch our videos, look at what is going on with the power of the moon, the cycle. There's also like the Fisherman's Almanac, there's a Farmer's Almanac. Check out our website, definitely use our dates. You'll see a huge improvement very fast. So in the lunar cycle, we have 5 choices a month. And what would be my recommendation would be, what's your situation? Are you having hair loss? Are you hair thinning? If you're doing that, how would you start each month? I would cut off very, very little. Maybe if you have really bad hair and you have long hair, you can cut off more. But in the beginning, if you just cut off even 1/4 or 1/8 of an inch, or a little bit every month, you're going to be shocking the roots. I would recommend starting with root work. That would be number 1. Then you're going to go into strengthening. That would be number 2. Then I would go into thickening. That would be number 3. In that order. And then if you want to lengthen your hair, that's number 4. And if you want to beautify your hair, which goes into waves, that would be number 5, beautifying. So in that order, you'll definitely see an improvement. Very, very, very healthy hair coming in, being very strong. Check out free calendar, lunar calendar on our website.